everyone. I'm going to show you how you can take your movie that is in stop motion and save it to your device and open it up in another app. So you'll want to hit this upload button. You hit export movie, and then you want to hit save video, which saves it to the device. Now I've already saved mine, so it does it automatically, but for you it will show a bar and it will show the progression, and when it's done then it goes back to this screen. So you can exit out and go find the Splice icon. It's black with a letter S. Here it is. Okay, we are not able to use iMovie this year, unfortunately, which makes me super sad. So on Splice, if somebody's already started a project, the menu will kind of look like this. If you're the first one opening Splice, it will just ask you for a couple of permissions, and you just want to hit allow and let them use your camera. So you could hit the plus button in the corner, and it will show you your camera roll. So it's showing, I've actually saved my movie 4 times for some reason. But you pick your movie, and in the upper corner it has the word add, so you want to hit add. It takes you right away to adding audio, which you could do at the beginning if you want to, but you can always come back to this later. It has selections, so under popular music it would have a lot of different selections. And if you end up adding them in, you can always change them later. The next page, it says project settings at the top. The only thing you really need to change is the title. So change it to whatever you're going to be saving your movie under. And then when you're done, you hit the done button, which is up in the corner. Sorry, I know there's a glare. Okay, so the menu looks like this. And I've only been working with this app for a couple days, so I found just a few things to get me started to work through. One thing I like to do right away is when you hit your video and you hit the plus button, ahead of it, you can add a title ahead of your movie. If you hit the plus button behind it, you can add a title at the end of your movie. So I'm going to hit the plus button. You could import other photos or other videos that you have, like if your video for some reason is in 2 chunks, or if you took separate photographs and you want to import those, that gives you the option to do that. I'm going to hit the title page, which puts a black screen in there, and then you can type your title. I don't know. I'm just going to put Drat in there for now. I don't know why. It does give you a lot of options, which are kind of nice. You can change the color. You can change the font. You can change the size. You can change the angle. So there's a lot of nice things with that. Hit the done in the corner to save it. You could also do another one of those at the end, like if you wanted to add credits. So you should include a title, and you should include your name, whether you do that at the beginning or if you do it at the end. Now this is something that is automatically on here. Right now I disabled it. So if I enable it and I play my movie, at the end of the movie, so there's the music that I had put in, and I'll show you how to edit the music in a little bit. See how it has that GoPro Splice on there? Okay. It automatically puts that on there, so if you touch that button, you can hit disable, and it will turn it off for you. Now let's take a look at the audio features. So when you click audio, you notice, I'm going to slide this back to the beginning. Okay, there's Drat. If I only wanted that My Miami audio to play during the opening, I can touch it and I can shorten it in length. So if I wanted to make it, say, like 5 seconds long, fade in is on, which means it's going to softly get louder, and then fade out is on. You know, you can turn those on and off and toggle them if you want to. And then I hit the back button. And now see how this blue bar is now shorter. So when I play, so it fades in quietly, and then it fades out softly. All right. If you're wanting to add other sounds, you just slide the bar to the point where you want to add the sounds, and you'll just hit the plus icon again. So we talked about the music. You know, there's a lot of different types of music, and then under each of those themes, there are different music types you can listen to. The effects also has a really big library, so if you hit the effects at the top, we'll take one, for example, birds. If I touch the bird category, it opens a lot of different audio clips. And so you can add, so just put in that bird clip right there. And again, if I want it just in a short spot, you can touch it, you can, you know, trim it so it's shorter. And that's how you can get some of your sound effects in there. We're currently working on uploading these to YouTube. I'm having a little bit of an issue right now, so that's a tech thing we're working out. But this is just enough of a tutorial to get you started so that you can put in your videos, start adding those title and text pages, and get some more experience with the sound effects. All right, hope you enjoy.